What's up, Bassinators? Welcome to another episode with me. Today I am here at my club waters. It's been a while since I've been here. I think the last time I was here was in December. So yeah, I'm actually here with a fellow YouTuber, Sascha. He's got a channel called Bassing with Sascha. So you will get to meet him now. We are going to be doing a little bit of a challenge. I recently got the Googan baits, as you guys have seen in pictures and previous things. So today we're going to be doing a bit of a challenge on the Googan baits. So yeah, let's head over to the other spot and I'll introduce you to Sascha, and let's get fishing. Sweet.
What's up, guys?
So guys, as you see, I'm here with Sascha. So we are going to be doing a challenge today. Look, obviously it's the first time we've actually met. We've chatted a few times on social media, and I thought, you know, me reach out and do a little bit of a collab with Sascha and have a little bit of fun today.
Finally had the courage to give me a call.
Yeah. So we're here at, like I said, at the Outcast Club Dam. As most of my viewers have seen, great fishing happens here, and hopefully Sascha's viewers will start following me too, and some of you guys can start following him.
Please.
I will put a link in the description below of Sascha's website. It's Bassing with Sascha, eh?
Correct.
So yeah, go have a look at his YouTube channel, upcoming YouTuber, and he's got really good content. He just needs you guys to come and show him support so he can actually want to do more videos. At the moment, you know, he's like, should I, shouldn't I? So come, show him the support. Let's try give him like another 50 to 100 subscribers from our side. Come on, why not?
Thanks, guys.
Yeah,
Appreciate
yeah.
it.
Okay, guys, let's get to it. So today, what I thought we were going to do a bit of a challenge with the Googan baits. So I was lucky enough to get a friend of mine from Mexico. Shout out Ricky Gonzalez. Thanks a lot, buddy.
Thanks, Ricky. Appreciate
brought
it.
me the Googan baits. He got me the bandito bugs and the cracking craws and a few colors of it. All the other stuff I wanted, he didn't have stock at the shop that he got it. So like the dragon drops and the mono worm, which I really wanted because I think that will work amazingly here in South Africa. But anyways, if there's any of you out there in America that can send me some, hey, PM me. We can chat.
Me too, please.
Anyways, let's get to it. So we're gonna do a challenge. I'm gonna give him one of each of these baits. I'm gonna take one of each of these baits, and we are gonna try and see if we can catch fish with it. The first fish you catch with the bait, you'll get 3 points. So your first fish, 3 points. Fish after that will be 1 point. The more fish you catch, the more chance you've got to win. But to throw a spanner in the works, before you can actually start catching with the Googan baits, we are going to throw frog. So you're going to throw your frog out. This dam is usually good at frogging, but anything can change. As soon as you have hit your first frog fish, you can straight away change your rods and start fishing. So if I'm struggling to catch on frog, he's going to get the points because he's going to be catching already on fish if he's already got on frog, vice versa. So that is the challenge. We haven't really decided what the loser is going to do yet.
We'll decide on the water.
Yeah, we didn't actually think of it. When we got here, we were like, oh shit, what are we going to do? So we will, during the day, we will talk about it, and one of us will do something. If it's going to be, I mean, it is overcast, so maybe one of us is going to take a swim today. Get in our jocks and take a swim to the island and back. Maybe that will be it. But we'll have a see.
It's not going to be me, guys.
Let's see how it goes. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and yeah, subscribe to both of us.
Both of us.
Cool.
Yes.
See you on the water. So guys, as you can see, we're on the water, and yeah, it is very overcast. There's a bit of a mist coming, I can see coming in the distance. The water temp is lovely actually, eh? And yeah, I'm hoping the frog bite does pick up. It should, but yeah, with this weather, I don't know. These Googan baits to Sascha. So he's going to try these colors. I'm going to try the watermelon red one and the other watermelon red craw. He'll try these and we see how it goes. And if I start catching on the other color, I will obviously give him the other color because I want him to catch fish. I mean, it's a challenge, but at the end of the day, we want to have some fun. There's nothing better than a top water take though. Especially when you're talking cut like this and all of a sudden you just hear that. Like, ah! There
we go.
Oh, I missed it!
Dude.
Ah! Up! Ah!
You get one?
Oh, there you go. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, still decent. At least about 800 kilo. Ah! Yo, that took a while though.
It was on, looks like it's what, 1 kilo?
About a kilo, yeah. Annihilated the frog. Okay, you know what that means, guys? It means I can start fishing the Googan baits. I'm gonna start off with the Bandito bug, watermelon red, on a Texas rigged, I think it's a 3/8. I can't remember what size this is, but on a Texas rig. I'm gonna try it out like that, and I'll change it up through the day if I feel that I can bite. First cast. Oh, no, I'm just joking. There we go. Bandito bug, Googan baits, baby. And that gives me 3 points. See how this one's just under a kilo, but they're like all around there. Googan baits, Bandito bug, down. Ah, there we go. Ow! And you know how I was doing that one? I was reeling it in fast on top of the water. Like a frog. So far the Bandito bug has lost fish and I've lost fish with it. So that's a good sign. Let's see what this crawl can do. Oh, right at the boat, dude. Topwater! Oh, and it's a good one, the best one of the day. Just before I was going to lift the rod into the boat, he came up and took it. There's a nice 1.1, 1.2. Nice fatty, estimating at about 1.2 on the Googan baits crawl. Nice fish, eh? What do you guys think? That's another point and I'm on 6 points. Guys, I think they've got great quality products. I can't wait to test the other stuff. Hopefully someone from America sends. Oh! Yo, this is a big one! he took me hard. It's not that big, but woo! It's another one, two. Oh, check at that belly on that one. Dude, how's that? I'm sure you guys saw that. That was cast for cast. Literally cast for cast. 2 casts, 2 fish. On the crawl. Another beauty. Look at that. Oh. So guys, it is 10 o'clock now, and the challenge is over. Unfortunately for Sascha, he struggled to get the fish. He got onto a few fish, but well, he shook one off, or came off, and then he missed a few. Yeah, I think the fishing was tough. I struggled with the frog in at the beginning, but I managed to get a fish and then start with the Googan baits. And as soon as I actually got the Googan baits, I started catching fish. Funny thing is, I started winding the Googan baits almost like a frog on the top water, and I started catching fish. And 1 or 2 was on the drop, but most of them were top water. So funny, I mean, the top water is on, but maybe they don't want it slow. It looks like they want it a bit faster. So I won the challenge. I think I got about 10 points. I can't remember how many fish I caught, but it was a few fish. 10 or 11 points. I lost count there. So I won the challenge, and
well done.
Sascha is going for a swim today. So far, hopefully you guys are enjoying what you're seeing, and yeah, keep watching. So guys, we have finished our day, and as promised, Sascha is going to take a swim for losing that little challenge. But the water is actually quite nice. It's going to probably be refreshing for him. So yeah, let's see him take a swim.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my pencil.
Okay guys, this is PG rated.
Yo, there's a nice big bass there.
Hey, go catch it, go catch it.
Hey, ready?
Ready.
Yeah.
And there he goes. Probably refreshing, eh?
That's actually quite nice.
Yeah, I thought so. So it's actually not it wasn't a bad thing to lose.
Oh, yes.
So guys, he took his dive. At the end of the day, I think it was not actually a bad thing to lose, because he gets to be refreshed. Next time around, we'll make a challenge where he'll or me, one of us will either like chow a chili or drink flipping ram's milk or something like all the other guys are doing on the internet. But for now, he did his swim, so all good. As you saw in our day today as well, I caught quite a lot of fish on top water using Googan baits, using frog. It went pretty well for me on dam 1. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. It was a fun day out. I enjoyed making it, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and the notification there below, so it'll keep you notified to all my videos coming. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.